If you're still using ChatGPT for everything, you're missing out. Perplexity AI might be the best free tool to research, plan, and write faster than ever, especially for content creators, freelancers, and digital entrepreneurs. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to use it step by step. Perplexity is like ChatGPT, but with built-in internet access and source citations. It's an AI search engine that actually tells you where it finds its answers. That makes it perfect for research, blog outlines, YouTube scripts, and affiliate content. And yes, it's totally free to use. Head over to Perplexity.ai. No login is required, but if you sign in, you get access to saved threads, Copilot, and more. The interface is simple. At the top, there's a prompt bar, just like ChatGPT. But what makes Perplexity different is the reference links below each answer. You can click and verify every source. Let's say I want to make a YouTube video about 5 AI tools for passive income. Here's what I'd do. Type, "Give me a list of 5 lesser-known AI tools for generating passive income in 2025. Perplexity generates a full list with citations. Now I ask, write a YouTube script introducing each tool in under 1 minute. Boom! Instant video script. You can tweak it, break it into shorts, or use it for a blog post. You can also ask it to compare tools side by side, find stats to back up your claims, or suggest affiliate platforms to promote. Here's where it gets real. Use Perplexity to create full content outlines. Then monetize in 3 ways. 1. Affiliate links. Add links to the tools you mention. 2. Digital products. Use the content as a lead magnet or course script. 3. Content services. Sell Perplexity-powered research to businesses or creators. Let me give you 3 bonus prompt ideas that you can try today. 1. Create a 7-day content plan for TikTok on AI tools and passive income. 2. Summarize the pros and cons of Systemi.io versus ClickFunnels in under 100 words. 3. Generate 3 blog titles based on current trends in YouTube automation. The more specific your prompt is, the better the result. Now, let's talk about a few common mistakes people make with Perplexity. Mistake number 1, using overly broad prompts. Don't just type best AI tools. Instead, say 5 AI tools under $100 per year for content creators. Mistake 2, ignoring the sources. If Perplexity cites a random blog, always verify it's reliable. Great answers come from great sources, and this tool lets you check every one. Mistake 3, treating it like a one-shot tool. Perplexity works best when you use follow-up prompts. Ask it to rephrase, compare, rewrite, or drill deeper. The key with Perplexity is prompts that are specific and goal-driven. Test variations, ask follow-ups. Let it do the thinking. If you want to create more content faster, this tool is a must-have. Subscribe for more faceless income tutorials and AI walkthroughs, and check the description for tools that pair perfectly with Perplexity.